ET and Reptilian Obsession. Hi. My name is Macaulay. I am experiencer, contractee since 1991. Nearly 3 decades of experiences, I learned so much from ET. Sometimes people ask me about ET because of their curiosities. And I found it fascinating. Sometimes so amusing. People have their imaginary toward extraterrestrials. And it very mistaken in many ways. A person I know, she asked me about reptilians. Her question was abstract, not much structure. I needed to ask her back. What kind of thing do you want to know about reptilians? She thinks reptilians control Earth human. Probably she watched tons of reptilian agenda kind of programs. Or YouTube or whatever advertised. Reptilians are bad. My brain turns to a pumpkin. Really? If you cannot take reptilians, probably you also cannot take octopus being. That was my thought. How about insectoid? She does not know there are a lot of reptilian races. Alpha Draconis is the bad one, I assume. I never saw Alpha Draconis personally yet. But I know the smell, distinctive smell. And other ET shows me holographic images of Draconis a few times. If they're present near me, I probably would know. But not all of Draconis are bad. Anyway, she connects everything wrong to reptilians. Because she thinks they control humans. Even she does not know the differences in between Alpha Draconis and other reptilians. I told her this. Did you know? Part of your DNA is from reptilian? She couldn't think. She said, really? Her husband told her a little bit about human evolution. In the stages of human development, your host body goes through various stages of species to get human fetus. Includes reptile. But her mind didn't register. And then she brings this reptilians are bad in every chance she got. Her mind so obsessed with reptilians control humans. Maybe she finds it funny. Her automatic intelligence does not allow her to think of another possibility at all. It's called brainwashed. I said to her, you are part of reptilian families. A particular part of your brain. Medulla oblongata. It calls the reptilian brain. She said, really? And it did not register at all once again. Her automatic intelligence did not allow this to sink in. Even it's biologically made of reptile genes. It seems like her reptile brain does not favor other reptilians. Because it's very territorial and behavioral. Earth human build on reptilian DNA hates other reptilians does not make sense to me at all. And she repeats when she finds occasions within the conversation. Reptilians are bad. And my head turns to a pumpkin. It's reptilians. My pumpkin head hollows as she repeats. I named this phenomena, pumpkin head maker. I became a pumpkin head. But still tried to tell her how human control other humans. Human brainwashing other humans are very common. It's happening everywhere all the time non-stop. Brainwashed human brain is this planet for quite a long time. From the dawn of human race. Meticulously to say. Since the dawn of the human brain. That human brain is behavioral. Pumpkin head maker thinks reptilians control humans. And she brings next. Reptilians are a hive mind. My pumpkin head hollows deeper. Hive mind based on oneness mind. That human mind is part of the bigger brain. Hive means the superior mind controls another mindless mind. Pumpkinhead thinks reptilian brain control human behaviors to create hive mind structures. Own brain behavior could control its own to be the superior. It could drives you. Make your mind blind. Blindly control others, even own families. Put in mind cage of its own. Reptilians control human? Really? Humans are in control by own brain behavior. Humans are in control by own reptilian brain characteristics. Reptilians control human is practically correct. Human as part of reptilian race control other humans is the correct answer. That human brain built on top of the reptilian brain. The reptilian brain region controls pretty much everything. Once you control by it, it is hard to get out. Because practically impossible to know they aren't there. If you are obsessed about reptilians, remember this. Your part is from Reptilian. You are part of reptilian families. Welcome to the world of galactic reptile civilizations. Is any way to get out from own reptilian brain behavior? Yes, it is. As I mentioned before, behavior operates through the control system. Without control system and programming, it does not. What you need to do is take control. Be in your control seat. In the human body, there are parts scientist calls it the seat of consciousness. If you sit there, you can gain control over. And you could learn how your own seat of consciousness works. Because it mapped with everything. I will tell you more. Until then, have a good life.